Hello AT Nation, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me today for this video. It's a room tour. I'm gonna be telling you about some of my favorite pieces in my room. I like a room that is organized and color coordinated and whatnot. So let's get into it. So the first part is this part. It's sort of like a mini kitchen, but rest rooms are a mess because you see right there my bathroom starts, so my favorite piece here is definitely this chalkboard right here. You can get this from places like Oriental Plaza, China Mall, and they're very cheap, like 100 rand, 50 rand. And I just write my favorite verse. You can write your goals or your activities that you want to complete in the week and check yourself. So my favorite scripture for this week was 1 John 4:16, and it speaks all about love, and yeah. So the next two things that I got from Pep Store are these two jars, and they have rose gold lids, and I just have my cereal there. And I got this for 20 rand each, so I spent 40 rand. I was just passing through Pep and I saw this and I was in love, so I just decided to get those. And this thing, I got it for 12 rand at Pep, and it's grayish. So my room is a rose gold, yellow, gray, white themed. So now we're gonna move towards the bed. There's no bedroom, it's just a bed. My bed is sort of like different shades of yellow, mustard, light yellows, and I have a little bit of gray there and white here and a bit of brown. So this throw here, I got it from Sheet Street for 70 rands, something like that. And the bedding, I got it also from Sheet Street, and it was on sale. It came with the inner, with the cover, and with the pillow, and with the pillowcase. So that was like a bargain, and it was like for 350. I was lucky on that day. And I got this small pillow here from Mr. Price Home. I think it was 69 rand or 79 rand, but less than 100 bucks. And I also got this too from Mr. Price Home, also for the same price range, 69, 70-ish rand. And the big pillow, I got this from home, from my mom. I don't know where she got it from. And the pillowcase, this gray one, I got it from Pep Store, and I think it was 20 bucks. So that's my bed. And this here, it's from Sheet Street, but it was a gift, so I don't know the exact price. So yeah, and my mat down there, which now looks very blue. It was not originally blue, I just washed it with blue stuff and it turned blue. So I got this from Pep, and it was like 30 bucks, the same as well. So I was like, I am definitely getting that. And we are done with the section area here. For my window, I got these gray curtains from Sheet Street as well, and they are sort of like a 2-in-1. It comes with that thing at the back, but the downside about this is that when you open your curtains, you won't have anything sort of like closing off people from seeing if you're chilling in your room there. So I decided to go and get this from Mr. Price Home, and it was like 159 rand. The curtains were like 200 and something. And now one of my favorite spaces to be at has to be this table here. I got it from Sheet Street, and it was like 250, and I love it very much. And I got this rose gold lamp. Rose gold is my color. I love rose gold. So my friends got me this because they knew I liked it so much, and it was from Mr. Price Home, and I think it goes for 150 something, but I'll confirm the price for this. So here I just keep my Bible. I recently bought this album from Secret of Worship, and I'm yet to listen to that, and I just have my Bible there. and my glasses. I'm in denial. I don't wear my glasses during the day because I think, yeah, I can see. So this is this section, and I like it very, 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 very much. So AT Nation, my study area is very simple. There's this huge desk that I hate very much from the rest thingy, and one of my favorite pieces is this thing here. So I just light the candle there, and then I add water, and my fragrance here is vanilla and tonka beans. It makes my room very humid and makes it smell super nice. I got this from my little sister. She got it from the Body Shop, and it smells super good. So if you want your room to smell nice, you can get something like that. You light it up, add water and the fragrance, it all smells good. And there I just have my 2 favorite handbags, and yeah. So I also have this thing here. I got this a while ago. It doesn't look nice anymore. It says love, laughter and happily ever after. So I just thought that was a little cute thing, and I had gotten it from Pep. So I get a lot of things from Pep, with the Price Home and Sheet Street, because they are very affordable. And here I have my buff range, of course, and then I have my vase that a friend of mine called Ronani got me this vase on my graduation last year, and she got it from Mr. Price Home. I'm not sure how much they go for, but I'm sure 200 rand there. So I think that's about it in my room. We are done, and thank you very much for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment. Tell me what your favorite pieces in this room are, and give me some ideas. I'm always looking to change it up a little bit. I think the next time I'm gonna change is in spring, because I want to turn it pink and flowerish. So give me ideas down in the comment section below.